Hi guys, here's Belsee. Today I will introduce this 12.5-inch IPS touchscreen special phone Audi Q7 2024 to 2015 years. Okay, you can check this front UI interface, and it comes with special harness. You can check this small speaker and plug, factory plug. Okay, this connect on back of head unit. Okay, it comes with install part. You can check this install part comes with head unit and this dash kit. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 0 of the screw hole. 1, 2, 3 screw hole, and this fitment kit. And screws also come with head unit together. Okay, this fiber optic cable form fiber. You can check this fiber connection. Okay, now you can check the AUX interface for Audi MMI2G AUX and the Audi A6 and Q7. If your car doesn't have AUX, you need to buy this fiber optic adapter. Okay. It comes with this 4G antenna. This 4G antenna, this GPS antenna, 4G antenna, and AUX cable. Okay. Let me show the head unit. You can check this front UI interface, and very fast response. Okay, let's check all apps are here. Settings built in Google Play Store and Google Maps, and Z-Link file for Apple CarPlay, wireless Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. You can check Android Auto. This you can check this blue touch screen high resolution. Okay, and it's built DSP amplifier. You can adjust sound. Okay, let me check the dashboard. You can check this dashboard will show the original information. You can change color with green and blue. Any color you can adjust. Sleeve the side, right side, it will show. You can adjust the color, orange. Okay, and you can slide down. It will show these settings, Wi-Fi, and other settings. You can check. Okay, let me check the settings. You can check this system. It will settings for rear camera, this back, navigation, volume, sound, language. It's built the all languages. And system info, you can check this RAM 6 and storage 128GB. Okay. Use factory password with 1314. You can change the original function and other information by this factory settings. This vehicle for Q7. Please choose Q7. Okay. And if you choose it, you need reboot the head unit. It will save the settings. Okay. And let me check Android setting. It's built-in 4G built-in Wi-Fi, connect Wi-Fi. It's 4G mobile network. You need to connect SIM card on back. But device you can check. It's a cheap Snapdragon 662 chip and Android 11 system. Okay, back to home, and let me check the. You also control touch screen by your knob. You can check total 128GB. Okay. First, let me introduce the Bluetooth. Can choose the Bluetooth. This connection interface. Please enable Bluetooth from your phone. This Bluetooth from your phone, enable it, and click search. It searched. You can choose it, and do you want to connect phone? Click OK. It shows connecting. Okay, your phone will get message. Please put 4012. Sorry. Let me try again. 1 2 3 4. Okay, connected. Okay, it will firstly connect your Android Auto. Okay, this Android Auto. This you can check. Does not connect USB. This wireless Android Auto. When you connect this maps. This is Google search. Okay, our country does not work with Google. You can try it in your country. You can check this Wi-Fi, and when you disconnect, Wi-Fi and disconnect Bluetooth, it will out the Android Auto. Okay. It does not connect the Android, you need to connect. Let me try the phone call. It works with the free phone call. You can stream music from your phone. Stream music from your phone. Okay. Let me show the music. You can choose USB. Play music from USB. Next. And this DSP amplifier. And the video. This PIP function. Full screen. It's supposed to play 4K video. This is 4K video. Okay. Okay, all apps are here. You also can download the apps from Google Play Store. If you have any more questions, please visit our website belsee.com. There are no internet, so you need to set Android setting, connect to Wi-Fi. And visit. Okay, it is a blue screen. You can check this corner, this blue screen. Okay, this is our website, belsee.com, belsee.com. If you have any more questions, you can visit our website and contact to us, belsee.com. Okay. You can, let's back the home, and you can check this blue screen. And let me disconnect power, and you can check. It comes with the LVDS connection. And I'm back. This 4G slot and the TF card slot. This power, this 4G and then a GPS, and this kit high resolution. Okay, that's all. Thank you.